I am Dr. Mohammad Samiu Zama, consultant cardiologist, Vijayanagar Colony, Hyderabad. Today being 29th September World Heart Day, I want to give some brief features of heart disease. Especially in diabetic patients, smokers and hypertensive patients above 40 years of age, little chest pain also can be a heart disease. One should not neglect it. Consult a doctor because blood thinners and anti-cholesterol drugs are key drugs in management of heart disease, and non-medical management is daily walking at least 40 minutes in a park at least 4 days in a week, and good and healthy food habits are necessary, and one should avoid tension and very much hard work. Okay, thank you. Take care of your heart.